Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. How y'all doing? Another 240 banger for you guys. So as you guys previously saw, we installed our chase bays brake reservoir, and you guys already know, made a product for the TriggaSpec. Obviously I make a lot of this stuff, so if you guys wanted this video, what's in it? Our brake line kit for the full car, guys. So if you're like me who wants to rebuild the full car, this is going to replace all your hard lines, and it'll work with your pretty much factory calipers, or if you have this wheelwood system or any other. So right off the bat, we got a bunch of self taps, our bracketry to hold the lines in place. This is our rear line setup. Check that out, super nice colored crimp fittings. This is our driver and passenger front, and this is our centerpiece that goes to the back, our T-union, and it'll come with all the clips and everything. And then we got our chase bays, bypass or bias, whatever, they control the flow. So super sick. Now you guys may ask, Trigga, why do I want to do this? Well, one of the biggest upgrades on this is you don't get that squishy feeling anymore. Obviously you'll replace everything, and if you go ahead and do the chase bays delete, just having those lines set up and everything is going to give you a super nice clean look. Today's videos, guys, is sponsored by AutoOne. So AutoOne is a company that makes a lot of LED lighting for your cars. They went ahead and sent me some items for our cars, and they sponsored today's video. Thank you, AutoOne. So first they sent us some LED high beams. These are the HP39005, and they sent me some turn signals and rear lights for the Supra. We're going to be utilizing this on the Subaru. So once you open the box, you get all the different size O-rings, which is very nice. Instruction manual, and then we have our LED bulbs. This is my 2008 Subaru STI. So this is the LED bulb that AutoOne sent us. This is our bulb that came on the car. So you guys can see, normal halogen bulb, no fan, nothing. This is the AutoOne bulb, and it has this fan on the back as well. This is very nice stuff. We did one on Melina's car and we loved it, so now we're gonna do one on this. Very easy. You just remove the bulb right there. There's the connector. Put this bulb in, so you guys want to position it the correct way where it sits, and give it a nice turn. All right, we got the bulb locked in, harness plugged in. Looking nice, LED bulb right there. Now we're gonna turn on the car and show you guys the difference in between both of them. All right, now that we got the car on, so we have the lights off. This is normal day driving. We're gonna take the e-brake off, and now our daytime running lights should be on. Now you guys can see the difference. We have the halogen, and then we have the LED. The LED is much brighter, obviously, than the halogen. It might not look like it right now so much, but the LED is much brighter. I'm gonna wait till it's nighttime to show you guys the difference between it. All right, so it's nighttime now. I'm gonna pull the e-brake, and look at that, very bright. These are almost like headlights. Jeez. These are normal HIDs with the high beam. Ooh, very bright. Anyways, thank you AutoOne for sponsoring this video. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, if you guys are interested in this line kit with all the stuff pretty much included, lines, mounting hardware, self taps, this setup is going to be $350 shipped, so let me know. Alright guys, so we got our front pieces right here. It's one of the longer ones with the shorter. And we got our thing right here. Oops. We got our thing right here. So what we're gonna do now is use some of this ECO gasolina, but this is what you gotta use. So we're gonna put some of this paste here. This is passenger side, this is driver side. And when you put this paste on, you don't wanna use Teflon, you wanna use paste. So the 90 degree will go on right here. And with this guy, since this piece is flared right here, and so is this piece, you're gonna wanna hand tighten it. Put it on, tighten it, and when it gets tight and it can't move, it's good. You give it one more snug. Obviously we're not going to make it super tight right now until we put it in the car, but this is it. Now same thing to the other side, and this side you're gonna connect the straight. All right, so now that we're here, we're gonna go ahead and take this and mount it. All right, here's some more tape, some paste, put some there and some on here. And you're gonna want to take your hard line, same thing, they're flared, put them on. As you guys can tell, we put the paste on. So those are the two front sections right there. And then I routed one of them this way through right there, and then the other one got routed right under there. Comes through right here where this is. I need to put one more right there so it holds it against the wall nice and tuck. Comes here, goes through so it's clear, so if you're turboed, NA, long tube, whatever, good to go. And it came through here. We didn't throw the clip on, but yep, screws right in, set to go. And just needs to go back to the caliper. Same thing with this side. Bam. Okie dokie, we're in the future now underneath the car. So I don't know what happened. For a few videos this camera kept doing an incorrupt file and some of the videos weren't popping up. But anyways, we're underneath the car right now. We already got the engine and trans in, but I just wanted to show you guys an update on the TriggaSpec brake line kits. So we ran it from the chase bay reservoir up. We have it routed this way right next to our fuel cell, fuel lines I mean, going from here all the way down like that, and then we come all the way over here. We're underneath the car right now into this T-union right here. All right, so we got that T-union right there, which one goes to the passenger side, one to the driver's side, and then we got them tucked up nicely up here and right there, and then they go and pretty much become your new hard lines that the car would come factory with. So in this instance, we passed it through right here, and then it came right there, mounted up to factory points, and we have our caliper bolted up to it. Same thing for the other side. So this is, like I explained, a full kit that comes on this car. But yeah, if you guys are interested in it, just let me know. The 350 bucks plus tax, free shipping, and it comes with everything. So you're able to go from the front of the car all the way to the back of the car, all four corners covered with this kit. It's a very, very nice product. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys are interested and want one, just let me know. I'll link everything on how you can get a hold of me to order it. But see you in the next one.